Hello class, today I'll be teaching you about cyanoacrylates. Now, thanks to the wonderful miracles of science, cyanoacrylates aren't actually cyanacrylates. Instead, they're something you call crazy glue, or super glue, or Craggle.
Finish the job.
Of course, sir.
No, I don't want to.
You have to.
I don't want to. Would you please be quiet? I can't.
Now, there are a few different kinds of cyanoacrylates. The two most common ones are methyl-2-cyanacrylate and ethyl-2-cyanoacrylate. There's one really rare one called N-butyl cyanoacrylate that has a page on a wiki somewhere deep in the internet that literally has no information on it, so I'm just going to ignore that for the most part. And 2-acetyl cyanoacrylate, which is mostly used in medical, veterinary, and first aid applications. And yeah, that means gluing people's arms back on. Some physical properties include its color. It's clear, I guess. Its density is about 1.1 grams per centimeters cubed. The average boiling point is about 52 degrees Celsius. Not sure why you'd be boiling glue, but anywho. Its melting point is about negative 30 degrees Celsius. Again, same question. Not sure why you'd be freezing glue, but there you have it. Now, it's not soluble in water, in fact, none of them are, but as it happens, it's the contact with an H2O molecule that starts the polymerization of the molecules into hard stickified chains. This polymerization also happens when it comes in contact with paper, cotton, and most alkalis or alcohols, which actually causes the glue to release stupid amounts of chemical energy in the form of heat. So yeah, the next time you're watching Criminal Minds and trying to think of a fun new way to torture someone, consider writing your name in crazy glue on their t-shirt. Yeah, that'll get them. And just so there's the illusion of me teaching you something, I'm going to throw in the name of this process. Hydrolysis. Superglue was first invented to close cuts and reattach small appendages in the Vietnam War, but it can now be used to fight crime, fill cavities, and find almost indetectable fingerprints on smooth surfaces, as well as the usual arts and craft applications. Also, thanks to the aforementioned reactivity with water, it cannot be snorted. And I'm not just saying that because this is being presented in front of my chemistry teacher. I'm saying it is a very, very bad idea. According to the United States National Toxicology Program, more than 200 parts per billion can give you asthma. But other than that, and the fumes that cause irritation to the nose, throat, and eyes, they also came out and said it was safe for household uses. This is even more so the case with 2-octyl cyanacrylate, because it has especially long chains and, as we all know, size matters. Aside, the long chains make it harder for the glue to break down over time, which is why that specific brand of crazy glue is used for gluing wounds shut. The next household chemical I will share with you is not really related to glue, but it is essential to any happy family. When you're sad and lonely, this will be there for you. Books? No. Bubble baths? Well, no. A puppy? No. This is tequila. Now, there are many chemicals that make tequila as special as it is. There's isovaraldehyde, which makes it smell like chocolate. Isoamyl alcohol, which makes it smell like whiskey. B-damascenone, which makes it smell like wood. Vanillin, which makes it smell like ice cream and cake. But, most importantly, the reason you're drinking it, methanol. Yay! It is this methanol that makes it taste so good. And it is the methanol that gives you the hangovers. In fact, nutritionists say too much methanol can kill you, which is probably tequila's biggest hazard. One of the biggest physical properties of tequila, other than its yellow in color, has a density of about 1.075 grams per centimeter cubed, a freezing point of about negative 27 degrees Celsius, and a boiling point of about 80 degrees Celsius. Tequila is made of diamonds. Yes, that's right. Tequila has the perfect carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen ratio to make diamonds. Should a scientist decide to turn it into a gas and then superheat it, a small rain of diamonds would appear. In other words, if you see a cloud of tequila floating towards you and you look as good as I do, you can run through it and come out covered in diamonds. Some chemical properties are hydrophilic? Yes. Oxidation? No. Flammable? Hell yes. Toxic? Well, you know, my mom would probably say so, but on www.advocateforhealing.com they actually rank tequila as the third least toxic alcoholic beverage. But these guys also say you should add bacon to your drinks to make them safer. So I would just say that its toxicity is up for debate in the scientific community. This has been my presentation on glue and tequila. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'm not expelled or anything.